Now this is why I like my property. Enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a minute and scroll around. It's sunset. Still got about a mile and a half to go. Can't see it very good in this camera, but there's a beautiful mountain range with snow. Let's see, let's go over here. Gotta cut across. Can't see that very good either, but that's Mount Blanca and it's over 14,000. Okay, here we go. This is my road. It ain't bad. Okay, bye. Check this out. I've got a full moon. There's my road. I've gotten over the worst of the lava rocks so far. There's Mount Blanca. Cool, huh? Okay. Where'd that moon go? Oh, it's covered up. Well, I'll be howling. Full moon, right on. Okay, bye. Okay, let's see if we can hear the birds. The moon's behind those clouds. You can't see it, but it's there. Those close-ups you saw of the pictures are this, except zoomed in. This is where I'm spending the night. Woohoo! Sunset over that way. Let's see how good this comes out. Oh, Mount Blanca again. Okay.